Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to post photos on TikTok using your PC, which is a perfect solution if you have high quality images saved on your computer that you want to share with your followers. While TikTok is mainly a mobile app, the desktop version has become much more powerful, allowing you to upload and manage your photo content directly from your web browser. To begin, you should open your preferred browser and log into your account at TikTok.com. Once you are on the home screen, you will see a large upload button at the top right corner, which takes you to the creator dashboard. From here, you can simply drag and drop your photos from your computer folder into the upload box. If you are sharing multiple photos to create a slideshow, it is often best to use a free online editor like CapCut or Canva. First, arrange your photos to create a slideshow. It is often best to use a free online editor into a vertical video file since the desktop uploader primarily handles video formats. You can set each photo to display for a few seconds and then add transition between them, exporting the final project as an MP4 file. If you want to use the mobile style photo mode directly on your PC, you can right click anywhere on the page and select the inspect tool to open the developer console by clicking the device toggle icon and selecting a mobile view like an iPhone. The website will refresh and show you the plus icon at the bottom of the screen, just like your phone. This allows you to select multiple photos from your library and use TikTok's built-in tools to add music and caption without needing external software. Once your photos are ready, you can write your description and add relevant hashtag and click the post button to share your work. This method gives you flexibility of a desktop setup while keeping all the creative feature of the mobile app. Thanks for watching and I'll see you on the next one.